Cap26 here, just a Tipsy Pearson Hobbies. Hi guys, how you doing today? And this is the Eafengrow high quality knife. I saw this and it's made in China. Okay, hey, you know, China makes good stuff too. Make a lot of stuff, you know. You don't have to be so down on China because they do make good stuff. And we do too, you know. It's even exchange. So let's open this up and take a look at it. And this is my favorite color too. Okay. Open up pretty heavy. It's a heavy knife. It's got green scales. And the pocket clip is on the right, which is fine with me. Okay, it's got the green scales, and on the scales, I don't know if you can see it, it's got some shatter to it, you know, when they sanded it, and that gives it nice detail, I think. I thought it was going to be a brighter green. I don't know why, but the picture looks like that. And it's like a banana boat style, and it's got the activator here. Wow, and it opens up very smoothly. Very smoothly. Let's check the blade. No wiggle back and forth at all. No wiggle up and down. Locks up pretty well. There's the blade itself. It's kind of a pirate style blade, I would say. It says on the blade, I don't know, I can't see it. I'd have to get magnifying glass, but there's information on the blade. Okay. As far as the way it cuts, I don't know. Let me see how it cuts. I'll take the corner here. Oh yeah, it's sharp. Very sharp. It's very sharp. The liner lock is in here to undo it. Just push it in like that. Very smooth. Wow, it drops in there like butter. A little click. Did you hear that click? So it wasn't bad price. I'll put the link for this in the comments. I don't put it in the description. I put it in the comments so you guys could look it up. You know, look it up really quick and find it. And maybe if you want to buy it for a Christmas gift, it wasn't too bad a price. It wasn't too bad. I collect knives, and this is just another one in my collection. I don't have that blade style. I have one maybe like that. I think I have a Gerber like that with this blade style. So, wow, it really sits in there nicely. Nice sound to it. Can you hear it? So anyway, see if there's any information in here. Oh, just a piece of tissue and the knife. Save your box. Always save your box to your knives. Okay, and put it in there like that. Always save your box to your knives. I mean, it's not, you know, a Puma. I mean, I love Puma knives. You ever see the Puma knives? They're really great. You can still get those. They have them online. You look them up. They make a beautiful liner lock too. That's getting off the subject now, but you know me, I like to talk. But check out Puma too. Well, that's the video for today. God bless you. Have a great day. Please rate, subscribe, and give a thumbs up, and share the video if you'd like. Bye for now.